Hi guys, and welcome to another Divi theme tutorial. This is Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Well, today we're going to show you how to add a Lottie animation to your website. Lottie does these great free animations. They've got paid animations as well, and they're a nice little feature to add on your site. Now, we've done this before using a plugin, the great Supreme Modules plugin from Divi, but if you don't have that, you can add this easily to your site using HTML. So let's get started. First thing I need to do is go over to Lottie, and I'll put this link below the video. I'm just on the featured page of Lottie files here, and you're going to see a whole bunch here. These are all free, these ones up here. If you go down a little further, you've got the marketplace ones that you can buy, and they're pretty cheap. You got 99 cents up to sort of $6 or $7 for the more complex ones. And you can also request that people will build you stuff in a certain style, which is really great. So what we need to do, we'll choose one. We'll use a free one today. Let's use a slightly different one from the one I've used before. That was the one I used just now. Let's take this one. That's pretty eye-catching. Now I just left-clicked on it. With a plugin, you can just download the JSON file and upload it. For us today, we need to use HTML. So if we slide down a little bit, you've got a little HTML button. Just left click on there. And here it is for us. Now here you can set some settings, play mode, normal or bounce. Sort of bouncing upwardly like that. It's quite interesting. I think I'll leave it in that. The direction, back or forward. Transparent background color, or you can set your background color here. I'll leave it as transparent, and we can actually set that on the module in Divi, so you have a like gradient background or whatever you want to put in there. Set the size here. Of course, you can reset all this with HTML. I'll show you in a moment. Let's make it 500 pixels. Now, animation speed, you can speed it up, obviously. That's going pretty quickly. Or you can slow it down by doing sort of 0.5. I think I'm going to switch it back to normal mode there. I quite like that. And you can choose whether to have the controls here. The controls, I'm going to uncheck that. I want it to autoplay and I want it to loop. If you uncheck that, once it's finished its cycle, it'll stop. So we're good to go. And you'll notice down below, it's actually generated the code for this. So let's select the code, or you can hit the copy code button down here, however you like to do it. And go back to our Divi page where we want to insert this. Let's enable the Visual Builder. And as you can see, when we're in the Visual Builder, you can't see this animation. So I'm going to just get rid of the module I use for there, and we'll create a new module for it. Going to hit the little black button for a module, blue for the section, green for the row, black for a module. Divi comes as standard with all these modules, and you get another dozen also if you have WooCommerce installed. If you want to try out the Divi theme, you can do so from my affiliate link below this video. Well, we can do it with a regular text module, but it's also got a code module, so I may as well use that one. And we've copied our code. I'm simply going to paste the code in there. Hit the check mark. And like I say, because we're in the builder, we can't actually see it. But if we save and exit the Visual Builder, there it is right there. And as you can see, it's 500 pixels by 500 pixels, which is great, and it's auto animating. And that's going to get people's eyeballs on it pretty quickly when they come to your site. But what I was saying about the background, like any other module, we can put a gradient background behind this or whatever background you want. So let's just add a little background and perhaps a box shadow or something. So I'm going to enable the Visual Builder again. Once enabled, I'm going to go to my module here. I'm going to hit the little cog to get in there. And I'm going to go down to background. Let's give it a gradient background today. You've got color, gradient, image, or video if you want a video. Probably not a good idea to have a video behind an animation. I don't know, that's up to you. So let's add a gradient. And it's already put one in there. There's not much height to this, obviously, because you can't see the animation, but when we save, it'll be back there. I think I'll leave that blue there. Let's perhaps put a purple in the bottom or something like that. No, let's put a black in the bottom, because it's got purple colours on the actual animation, so that might conflict. Let's save that, save our changes. And exit the visual builder. And there we go. Now, as you can see, our animation's got that sort of gradient background right there. And that's pretty impressive. That's a good looking little feature to have on your site. Really easy to do. Once again, that was lottiefiles.com. I'll put the link below, and we're using the absolutely free animations here. And that is how easy it is to add it to your Divi theme. So I hope you enjoyed that and found it useful. If you have, please ring the bell, give it a thumbs up, comment, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Once again, this has been Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.